What up, my dudes? So I got here a Craftsman DLM 21, and it's been in our backyard for like many years. And now that with the quarantine, you know, normally we have people come in and cut our grass, but not this time around. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna see what's wrong with it. So I took the spark plug out. I damaged it because I had to take it out of the socket anyways. And yeah, so I was like, you know what, $2 ain't gonna hurt. So I ordered another one from the local parts store. I'll see that tonight because it's getting shipped to my dad's shop, or getting delivered to my dad's shop. So something I can just do at home, take up some time so I won't be bored. But so I check out the filter here. This is the filter. This has a better filter than my Volkswagen, as you can tell. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I mean, it's a little dirty, but I've seen worse. It's a lawnmower, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna get dirty, you know, with it picking up the dirt. So I'm not really too worried about that. But can you see that? It's growing. It's been in our backyard so long. It's legitimately growing something. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I don't know how hard it is to remove the oil, but I'm not really trying to find out how hard it is. So I don't know. I might give it a shot, but from the looks of it. But since we got all the time in the world, literally right now, I might as well just try something. So, all right, guys. So I wanted to take out the spark plug, but I didn't have, you know, whatever the ratchet for this. So I was like, well, I got that. I got this. It has that in. I got that one. What, 7/8, whatever it is. Yeah, 7/8. I got that. That's a 3/4, so that fit. It didn't fit perfectly, but it kind of had enough grab where it took it off. So I was like, okay, cool. So then I needed a flathead to remove the air filter. As you can see, it's popped off right there. I don't know if you can tell where it would be. Right there. It literally sits in there. I got that out. And when I was noticing this tool, I noticed that it has this, which is literally the same as the spark plug. So that's pretty cool. Interesting little thing that I found. Well, I mean, I don't know why they say drain the fuel, but I don't have that much in there because this thing's been sitting for so long. It really doesn't have any, if any. I literally put like a little bit of that just to see if it does anything, but no, it doesn't do anything. So anyways, I took that out. Or anyways, I tilted over. And interesting. This is what they meant by tilted over. Boom, because that's the drain plug right there. Bam. So yeah, pretty cool. Now that I know where it's at, now I need to find something to actually loosen it. Alrighty, guys, I got the new spark plug. I'm gonna pop it in, see what it does. Already got the filter on. I doubt that it's gonna turn on, but we'll give it a shot. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let's put some gasolina. I know this is the wrong fuel, but if this asks for regular gas and this is 92, I don't know. Fuel is fuel at the end of the day, but we'll see what it does. Let's see if it's leaking anywhere. So far, no. Oh, shit. Some of that stuff. Wonder what that could be. Well, I guess that's it, guys. Officially certified. YouTube certified. ASC. But anyways. Now I can't say I can't cut my grass. You guys want to know where this lawnmower has been for like at least 3-4 years. That's where it's been. No, I'm just kidding. I was just digging myself a grave. But yeah, I got it to turn on. Change the plugs. Added some gas. Check the oil. It's okay. Oil doesn't look bad. It was still kind of brownish gold. So I assume it's good. But come back tomorrow or Monday, I guess, because today's Friday. So Monday, because it wouldn't turn off. So I'm gonna have to figure out all that jazz of how to get it to turn off on its own. So yeah, peace, bye.